Okay, hi guys, welcome to another one of my clay tutorials, and today's video is going to be on a gumball machine. This one here is a red one. Today's one we're going to make as a purple one. What you'll need, I'll start with all the tools you'll need. A toothbrush for texturing. Even if we don't have it, just keep it in spare if you need it for something. A blending tool, a blade, a ball or a dotting tool, so I've got small, medium and large. Okay, the types of clay, and if I can get it out of the container, you will need an eye pin. For clay, you will need pearl or white, pearl or silver and purple. Next colours are optional. Well, you need 7 different types of colours, but the colours you use are optional. The colours that I am using is this light purple, a light red, a gold, pink, a yellow, and a white. That's why I use silver. So yeah, add that to there. So let's start. Grab your purple, the colour clay that you're going to use for the red. Roll it into a ball, like so. Then only roll one side, like so, like that. So you get kind of this shape. Make it a bit bigger if you want to. You can make it taller. Everyone comes out a bit differently, like my mushrooms, if you have seen the tutorial. I'm going to now cut it down so it kind of makes a flat top. Roll it a bit again. That's what I'm going to do. Roll it just a bit, like so. Get that. Put that back with the other clay. Now grab your silver. Roll it into a ball, like so, and then place it on top. So you kind of get this. Now I'm just rolling the bottom part out so it can sit properly, like so. Now making that a bit bigger, like so. Now take your silver again, and then roll it out like this. Oh, mosquito. Roll it out. Take your blade again and cut it into a trapezium. I can never say that word. Like so. Then place it on the front of your thing. Cut off the bit that you don't need, like so. Now grab a bit of your white or clear clay, I couldn't get it out, and squish it roll it into a circle, then squish it and see if it fits. Mine perfectly fits. Now grab your smoothing blade and do a couple of indents in it. Like that. Then what you want to do is take your purple again. We'll get to the gumballs last because they're the easiest part of this thing. I'm just fixing up my gumball so it doesn't look like a slug. So what you want to do, take that, roll it into 3 balls. One should be bigger than the next one. Now roll them into balls. So see, mine are all different all different sizes. Take your biggest one, roll it into the ball, and then squish it. Put it on top. Like so. Then take the next one, squish it. Put it on top of that purple ring, so it looks like so. Then put the last ball, do not squish it, put it on and just squish it a bit, so it looks like a top hat. Now here's the time to insert your head pin, like so. Now we'll go into the gumball for the gumballs inside, so all these bits inside. So what you want to do is take any part of your clay, like all your clay colours, all your different colours, rip off a small part, circle it, squish it, put it in there, and then do that the whole way around. I don't have any super duper wax instruments to fasten this up, so you can just watch me place them down. Sorry, this might get a bit boring. You can make these any sizes you want. You can even put a face on it if you want to. But I don't particularly like putting faces on them because that means I have to paint them on because I don't have any black. So here we go. Okay, now I've done all that clay to the side. So here is your finished product. All you need to do now is bake it. I didn't say this, but I was using Sculpey 3 bound clay for this. So here it is, your gumball machine. Now we'll go into the gumballs. If you want to turn this into a bracelet, gumballs. Well, my eye pin just popped out, so just hold on. The gumballs to go with the bracelet that I'm going to make. I'm going to be in this tutorial as well. So you grab back your colours. You want to roll them into balls that are about that big. Roll them round into balls. I'm going to paint a face onto these. I'll try to, and make them little gumballs, and stick eye pins through them, and make them a bracelet. So I'm going to make all these different types of colours into gumballs and put them into a bracelet. So you can see when they're done. And you can also glaze these after you bake them, of course. Okay, mine's a little bit out of that. Sorry. Camera keeps on flicking up and down. They can be different sizes, because mine are. Gumballs are the same size, but my gumballs aren't. Oh, mosquitoes. Gumballs, 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 gumballs. Gumballs, gumballs, gumballs. You can make these into a charm bracelet or anything you want. I think those colours will do. I'll miss out on my last colour because it's really going to get boring for you guys. So what you do is stick eye pins in each one and connect them to your bracelet or bracelet. Now, forgot to mention this. I forgot to do it. You can also add, if you want to, a little ring around the bottom, like here. Ring. So roll out a purple or whatever colour you're using for this colour, that you use that colour for, or roll out a snake of clay and put it round the bottom like so. Like so, then cut the excess off with a blade like so, and then stick it together. If you have a smoothing tool, you can smooth that together, or if you want to use your fingers as your tool, go ahead. Now, stick a knife in these, and there you have it. And then you bake them, of course, and if you want to glaze them, which I am going to do. And that concludes my tutorial for this week's tutorial. I hope you like this. Hope that's still rolling. Yes, it is. Sorry, my computer went blah on me. So there you go. And you can paint faces or anything on them. I'll see you next time in one of my other tutorials. Bye bye!